Welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be a really quick packing video for a winter vacation. We are going to Banff in Canada. So for this trip, I'm actually bringing 2 luggages. I got an extra carry-on luggage just to pack some of the more sus things. You'll see later what I need. But for the most part, everything is able to fit in a carry-on because that's what I brought with me from Canada. I am currently in New York City repacking everything to fly out tomorrow morning. All right, here's a look at all the outerwear things that I will be packing, and I will go through each one with you guys. And these are all my accessory options here. So the first thing I will be packing are my ski pants here. I have the matching ski gloves as well, so I will be bringing those too. We're going to be doing a lot of snow activities, so it's really important to bring something that's waterproof and insulated so you won't be cold. Speaking of waterproof, this is not waterproof, but I found this pair of water-resistant fleece-lined leggings from Amazon, so I will be packing this as well. I already wore this in New York when it was like negative 17 degrees out, and well, not negative, when it was like 17 degrees out, and it kept me really warm. This is how the fleece looks inside. It keeps me very warm. So I will be bringing these for less snow intensive activity, for instance ice skating or hiking. Speaking of hiking, because I really want to go hiking on this trip, I got myself snow boots and micro spikes from Amazon while I was here in New York. So these are the snow boots that I got on Amazon. I thought they looked nice. It's black, so sleek. As you can see here, there's a lot of traction. And in case that's not enough traction, I also got these micro spikes from Amazon. And you just slip these over your boots or hiking boots or snow boots. You will be able to manage in the icy or snowy conditions while hiking. Yeah, so funny story, I actually found out about these micro spikes when I was in upstate New York hiking the trails around Catskill Falls. Back then, I did not have these micro spikes, so it was pretty difficult, even with snowshoes, to hike all the way down to the waterfall because it got really slippery and icy the closer you got to the waterfall. So this time, I have micro spikes. This is the reason why I got a second luggage, so I can just check in sus things. So last night I met up with my friend Erin and I grabbed her micro spikes also so I can check both of our stuff in instead of having to check in multiple luggages because that just doesn't make sense. Okay, let's move on to coats and outerwear. Okay, so I need something stylish and something more utility and kind of waterproof. This is the puffer jacket that I will be bringing with me. I also have it in black and it's by At Paris. The black one is in California and I want options, so I'm asking Kobe to bring that with me. But you know, the good thing about these puffer jackets is that they fold up really small, so it doesn't take up too much space when you're packing, kind of squishes. So this will keep me warm and protect it from snow. I think when you're packing for a winter vacation, you should look for a coat or a jacket that will keep you warm and keep you dry. I will also be bringing this coat with me. It's one of my favorites. It's by the Couples and I love that it's super stylish. This obviously will not be my adventure sporting look. It will be probably for like après-ski or just going about town, going out to eat. This has a faux fur outer with leather details. Yeah, there's a belt down here, the sleeve. I love the edgy look to it. So the inside has an attached leather jacket coat vibe covered by the faux fur. This is just one of my favorite winter coats. All right, so the coats are done. Let's talk accessories. You've already seen my waterproof ski ones, but in case I'm not going on a snow adventure, I have brought with me many options. So for this trip, I packed 3 color themes or schemes: black, pink, and I guess a neutral. For my black options, I have this beanie, earmuffs, and these gloves, which are convertible mittens and fingerless gloves. These are actually one of my favorite city gloves because you can pop open the mitten part and just use your phone or grab something. Okay, sticking with the black theme, I'm bringing this cute little purse with me. It's a faux fur little baggie for going out and about. Oh, I forgot to mention where these are from. So this is actually Old Coach. This is Eugenia Kim. I think it's a collaboration. with Glamour magazine like very long ago. And these earmuffs I just found on Amazon. So for experiences that needs to be hands off or require a little more things to bring with you, I have this backpack. And this backpack actually comes with this, I guess you call it a belt bag. So these two are my trusty ones in case you need to be hands-free or you need to carry a bunch of stuff like snacks and food and water, like when you're hiking. And lastly is purely for aesthetics. Okay, my pink set, which is this pink beanie and these fleece lined mittens. I love mittens because they keep your fingers warmer than gloves that have separate fingers because your fingers are together keeping each other warm. And I love these. These are Aritzia actually, and oops, they're lined with fleece, so these are one of my favorite purchases. And this one I think is by J. Crew or something. No, Ted Baker. So yeah, Ted Baker Aritzia. And last but not least are my neutrals, which are also mittens again. These are the faux fur mittens. I found these on ASOS a long time ago, but I like the look of it, and I really like the look of this beanie too. Both of these keep me very warm and they look very cute. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to the base layers or thermals. Whether you're going for a hike, playing the snow, going snow tubing, or going skiing, you're gonna need base layers so you can layer and like remove as necessary. These are my base layers here. It's heat tech tops and bottoms and leggings, like really thick leggings. I have like white ones, I have black ones. These are so essential. You can layer up with these and you can wear them under your ski pants or under a sweater or a hoodie or something. But the Uniqlo heat tech stuff I love and I always use. And then I have my tops. I have a cashmere sweater, a regular sweater, and a sweatshirt here. These are really great to layer on top if you want to see how they look. This is my first sweater. It's by Vince and it's a really nice and soft cashmere. It really fits in the theme of winter cabin, snow trip. I also have this more dressy sweater dress with puff sleeve. This is in case we go out to eat somewhere nice. And literally just a sweatshirt. It says LA. Just a regular sweatshirt. So we booked an Airbnb, and the Airbnb we're staying at has a hot tub, so I will be bringing a swimsuit. I decided to bring this one-piece swimsuit. It's nothing fancy, but you know, it allows me to slip it on and relax. So the next few things I'm going to cover are just essentials. I'll be bringing long socks. I have a little bag for my underthings, and I'll be bringing pajamas. Oh, and also toiletries and makeup bag, of course. That basically summarizes everything I would be packing for my trip to Banff.
5 minutes later.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you again next time. Bye!